Hello students, chemistry they are divided into major subject as a organic chemistry. Organic chemistry means study of carbon compound. Next, inorganic chemistry, other than carbon elements present, then it is known as a inorganic chemistry. Then physical chemistry, principle, law, quantum. It is a study in physical chemistry, state, matter, solid, liquid, gases. It is study in physical chemistry. And fourth type, analytical chemistry. In analytical chemistry, which are qualitative and quantitative analysis, your mole concept, number of moles, number of molecules, quantitative and qualitative measurement in analytical chemistry. Then biochemistry, study of living things, living organism. Now first in your chapter organic compound, study of carbon compound, therefore it is a part of organic chemistry. It is a part of organic chemistry, which are study in organic compound like alkane, carbon single bond, alkene means carbon double bond compound, alkynes carbon triple bond. Alkane means carbon single bond, alkene means carbon double bond, and alkynes means carbon triple bond compounds. And some function group we are discussed and study in organic compound, and their reaction, formation, their structures, and carbon showing the unique properties like tetravalency and catenation. The carbon atomic number 6, its electronic configuration 2, 4. The carbon atomic number 6 and electronic configuration 2, 4. 4 is a valence electron of carbon. Therefore, it required another 4 electron to complete the octet. It required another 4 electron to complete the octet. Then carbon showing its valency, it is a tetravalence. कार्बन की वैलेंसी कितनी रहेगी 4, बिकॉज एटॉमिक नंबर 6 एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन 2, 4. It required 4 electrons to complete the octet. Therefore, valency of carbon is 4. Valency carbon is 4. It required, suppose CH4 molecule. In CH4 molecule, hydrogen give 1 electron. We already discussed or study this compound in chemical bonding. There are sharing of electron between carbon and hydrogen, then it form covalent bond. There are total 4 covalent bond possible in CH4 molecule. It is example of CH4 molecule means methane molecule. In methane molecule having presence of covalent bond. Now carbon form catenation property. Carbon attached with another carbon, another attached with another carbon to form a long chain. Or branch chain. It is possible in carbon atom. Therefore, it is known as a catenation. To form a long chain or parent chain or straight chain. One carbon attached with another carbon with another carbon. Next carbon to form a long chain in a formation of covalent bond. This is therefore it is known as a catenation. It is a self linking of carbon with one carbon with another carbon. Then it is known as a catenation. Like example, CH3, CH2, CH2. It is example of hydrocarbon. It containing carbon and hydrogen, but in that carbon attached with another carbon in the form of single bond, another carbon attached with another carbon in the form of single bond to form a straight chain. There are total 4 carbon and 10 hydrogen. It is structure of N-butane. It is a structure of N-butane. In that carbon form catenation. In types of compound having hydrocarbon, it is a mixture of carbon and hydrogen. Example alkane. Alkane it is a saturated hydrocarbon containing carbon-carbon single bond. It is a saturated hydrocarbon containing carbon-carbon single bond. Then it is known as a alkane. Alkene. Next, alkene. It is a ENE. ANE substituent to ENE. Then presence of double bond. Alkene means it is a unsaturated hydrocarbon. It is a unsaturated hydrocarbon containing carbon-carbon double bond. Presence of carbon-carbon double bond. Next, alkyne. ANE substituent to YNE. ANE substituent to YNE. Then presence of carbon-carbon triple bond. Presence of carbon-carbon triple bond. It is also unsaturated hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon means presence of carbon and hydrogen. Alkane means carbon-carbon single bond. Alkene means carbon-carbon double bond. Alkynes means carbon-carbon triple bond. It is a unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon. And carbon-carbon single bond, it is a saturated hydrocarbon. Next, alcohol. Presence of OH group. Presence of OH group, then it is a function group of alcohol. OH group presence of alcohol. Alcohol containing methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol. It is example of alcohol. Methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol. It is example of alcohol which having presence of OH group. Which having presence of OH group. Next, aldehyde. Presence of C double bond OH group. CHO group. Presence of CHO group. Aldehyde group. In that acetaldehyde, formaldehyde, it is example of aldehyde. IUPAC name methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol. It is example of aldehyde. Next, ketone. Presence of C double bond O single bond CH3 group. Then it is example of ketone. It is identify presence of ketone. There are at least 3 carbon required. Therefore, 3 carbon means propane, propanone, butanone. Next, carboxylic acid. Presence of C double bond O OH group. It is example of carboxylic group. Suppose HCOOH means it is its name formic acid. It is present in the ants in the form of formica. Ants bite, then tremendous irradiation start, then honeybees. Presence of formic acid in the form of formica. Next, acetic acid. It is used for preparation of vinegar. In vinegar having 8 to 10% acetic acid in water. Next, ether. Ether means ROR. R means CH3 group, O CH3. Ether. It is example of ether. Next, alkyl halide RX. Next, alkyl halide RX. So CH3Cl means methyl chloride, methyl bromide. X means halogen atom. Chlorine, bromine, iodine, and Cl chlorine. It is a halide atom. fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. It is example of X. X means halide. Cl means chloride, Br means bromide, I for iodide, F for fluoride. Chloride, bromide, iodide and fluoride. Now classification of organic compound means hydrocarbon. It is classified into open chain compound and closed ring compound or cyclic form compound. Organic compound classified into two types. First one is open chain compound, another is cyclic closure ring compound. Then this open chain compound means aliphatic hydrocarbon. It again classified into saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. The saturated hydrocarbon containing carbon-carbon single bond. It is example of alkane. It is example of alkane. Alkane. Now alkane. Suppose Chandra formula CnH2n plus 2. It is a Chandra formula of alkane. Then put the value of n is equal to 1. Chandra formula CnH2n plus 2. Put the value of n is equal to 1. Then n is equal to 1, then C1 2 into 1 plus 2. Therefore, C1H4. It is a structure of CH4. It is a structure of CH4 molecule, means methane. Put the value of n is equal to 1. Then n is equal to 1, then C1H 2 into 1 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Methane. Put the value of n is equal to 2. Then C2 2 into 2 plus 2 means C2 2 2 ja 4, 4 plus 2 6. Therefore, it is a structure of ethane. There are 2 carbon. So, n is equal to 3, then C3 2 3 are 6, 6 plus 2 8 means C3H8. It is a structure of propane. C3H8 structure of propane. N is equal to 1, then CH4 methane. N is equal to 2, then ethane C2H6. Then N is equal to 3, then propane. Now structure of ethane. There are 2 carbon. There are 2 carbon. Valency of carbon 4. Atomic number 6. 2 comma 4 is a electronic configuration. Now there are total 1, 2, 3 and there are 4 valency of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Another carbon also valency 4. It is a structure of ethane. It is a structure of ethane. Draw the structure of ethane. We already draw the methane structure, therefore now ethane structure. Next, propane structure. There are total 3 carbon, a valency of carbon 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 completed at n carbon, at middle carbon 1, 2, 3, then it is a 4. Therefore, middle carbon required 2 hydrogen to complete the valency, and terminal carbon also 1, 2, 3. Therefore, completed. In this, there are numbering total 1, 2 and 3 carbon. There are 3 carbon and number of hydrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, it is a structure of propane. Now 4 carbon. There are total 4 carbon. N is equal to 4. Then C4 8 2 are 4 2 are 8. 8 plus 2 total 10. Therefore, butane. Butane having total 4 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Draw in this such way in the valency of carbon 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 completed. Now next carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4 completed. 1, 2, 3, 4 completed. Now terminal 1, 2, 3 and 4 completed. Therefore valency of carbon 4. It is structure of butane. There are total 4 carbon. Then numbering. Total number of carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4. Students draw this way structure in exam. Then it is a right structure. There are total 4 carbon and number of hydrogen 10 in this butane structure. Next alkene compound. Their general formula CnH2n. This is an unsaturated compound. The compound having at least one double bond present, means presence of carbon-carbon double bond. The value of N is equal to 2, then C2 hydrogen 2 into 2 is equal to C2H4. Now its IUPAC name. There are total 2 carbon, means ethane, but presence of double bond An is substituted to Ene, then its name ethene. Its name ethene. Now in ethene having total number of carbon 2 and presence of 1 double bond. Total valency of carbon 4, already 2 completed. Then this is a third and fourth completed. Another side also 3 and 4 completed. There are 2 carbon and total number of hydrogen 4. It is a structure of ethene. It is a structure of ethene. It is a structure of ethene. Then 3 carbon. So N is equal to 3. Then 3 2s are 6. There are total 3 carbon. Draw 3 carbon 1, 2 and 3. There at least one double bond present. At least one double bond present at terminal carbon. There are carbon valency 4. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4 completed. At middle carbon 1, 1, 2, 3 completed and 4. And terminal another carbon 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Then total number of carbon, count total number of carbon 1, 2 and 3 and number of hydrogen 6. It is a structure of propene. It is a structure of propene. There are total 3 carbon. At one position double bond 1, 2 and 3. It is a structure of 1 propene. Now N is equal to 4, then C4, 2 4s are 8. Total number of hydrogen 8. Now there are total 4 carbon. It should be required one at least double bond. Suppose at first position valency of carbon 4, 2 and 2 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 completed. Therefore numbering 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are total 4 carbon. It is a structure of 1 butane. Double bond present at first position. Also we also write but1 Ene. Now symmetrical structure, another same structure. They are having both having same number of carbon, but position of double bond at different position. Then it is known as a isomerism. Numbering 1 2 3 4. Valency of carbon complete by the addition of hydrogen CH3 CH CH and CH3, both having same number of carbon 4, number of hydrogen 8, both having 8 hydrogen. C4H8, both having same number of carbon and same number of hydrogen, but their structure so different, and double bond present at first position of this compound, and this compound having double bond present at second position. Therefore, its name but2ene. Its name but2ene or but2ene or 2-butene, both having different structure. There are same molecular formula, then it is known as a isomerism. There are different position of attach of double bond, therefore it is named position isomerism. Alkyne means carbon carbon triple bond. Its general formula CnH2n minus 2. CnH2n minus 2. It is unsaturated compound. Suppose n is equal to 2, then C2 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Then number of hydrogen 2 and number of carbon 2. Its structure, there are total 2 carbon. Number of hydrogen 2. Valency of carbon 4 completed. Valency of carbon 4 completed. 1 2 3 4 completed. Now its name, there are 2 carbon, therefore its name ethane, but presence of triple bond Ane subchain to Yne, its name ethyne. There are 2 carbon means ethyne. Now 3 carbon, its common name acetylene. Its common name acetylene and IUPAC name ethyne, but there are total 3 carbon, then N is equal to 3, then C3 2 3 are 6, 6 minus 2, therefore total number of hydrogen 4. Now structure of 3 carbon with presence of triple bond 1 2 and 3, at least one triple bond 1 2 3. Carbon valency 4 means completed at terminal. In middle carbon completed 1 2 3 4, there are no hydrogen, and last terminal carbon having 3 hydrogen, 3 plus 1. There are all valency completed and number of carbon 3 and number of hydrogen 4. There are total 3 carbon means propane, but presence of triple bond Ane is sufficient to Yne, its name propyne. It is a structure of alkynes. Ethine, propyne, butane. Butane having 4 carbon, pentyne having 5 carbon.